Hi everyone! Promised you a message. I don't have a lot to say, but Dominic asked for a video. What are you guys up to? I am sitting around with my dog right now, kind of thinking about what it is I need from you guys this week. So one of the things I need from you is thinking about your papers, right? I know you don't really want to think about your papers, but you have to. So make sure that you're kind of thinking about like an outline, thinking about what it is you're going to write about and how that's all going to go down. And then also think about your group presentation. And so basically the group presentation involves the VIN that you did for Project Censored, in relation to kind of childhood and adolescence. You are welcome to go off script and do something totally different if you want to. Here, I'm going to let you look at Theo because he's going to show you how cute he is. He's so cute. Look at how big and stupid he is. So basically, yeah, I want you to think about that. Think about the presentation and as a group. So you're going to check in with your group, right? You're going to do that however you see fit. If you want to do it on emails, on a group chat, whatever works for you guys, do that. And then in terms of your own paper, since we're not meeting this week, it's your job to use your time. So if it's an hour and 20 minutes that we would have normally been together, then please use that time to write your outline or whatever. Right, Theo? Is that what they should be doing? Yeah, that's what they should be doing. Okay, no. You're on camera. No being gross. So anyways, that's what I want you to do. I'll come back to me now. And then I will be in touch with you. So I was at San Quentin last night and I'm going there again tonight. And we're really getting going on that project of, looking at the way sports targets, kind of attracts, kids are targeted or tracked into playing sports, black kids, black boys in particular, sorry. And so the student that I'm working with, he wants us to work on, oh, here's Rosie. Say hi to Rosie. Rosie had surgery, so she's got a little outfit on because she has a big scar. Here, let me show you. Want to see her? You want to see her little boo-boo? It's right there. Oh, poor Rosie. Poor Rosie. So anyways, if you could please look at, this isn't, you have to. Does anybody want to work on it with me? So we're going to write an article. So if any of you are interested, what my student in San Quentin is looking to find out first and foremost is the percentage of African-American boys in the schools across the United States, like demographic, right? And then how many of those play sports at every level. So elementary school, then middle school, then high school, and then how many go to college and play, and then how many are actually recruited, which we know keeps getting smaller and smaller. But then, we know what his other argument is, but that's what he needs, that data. So if anybody wants to work on it, we could, 3 of us co-author an article, or however many of you want to work on it. So keep that in mind. And I will send you more messages this week, and I hope you're doing well. And I look forward to seeing you in a week. So have a great week, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.